Okay, let's unpack this. You know the feeling. You're at the podium. The stakes are incredibly high. You plug in your laptop, ready to deliver. And the presentation on the main screen across this massive room looks like it was, well, filmed on a potato.
Oh, yeah. Or worse, the connection just keeps randomly dropping out on you.
Right.
It's the classic boardroom bottleneck. I mean, you have this pristine, high-definition data sitting right there on your local machine, but forcing that massive stream of information to a display, 100 feet away without destroying the signal.
Yeah.
It is a serious physical challenge.
Which is exactly why our deep dive today is zeroing in on a specific piece of tech from HDTVSupply's catalog designed to kind of kill that bottleneck. It's the Turtle AV TAV-BBHDMI-TX Boardroom Buddy HDMI Transmitter.
Quite a name.
Yeah, it really is a mouthful. But our mission today is to understand how this specific, really compact device solves that universal frustration of extending high-quality video during presentations, without losing fidelity.
Right, because traditionally your only real option for long distances was running this massively thick, heavily shielded HDMI cable through a drop ceiling.
Oh, or under the floor, which is a nightmare.
Exactly. And even then, physical HDMI degrades over long runs. The standard simply wasn't built for marathon distances.
So think of this Turtle AV device as a high-speed digital superhighway for your presentation. It takes UHD 4K 60 4.4.4 video and throws it up to 130 feet away. But the kicker, it does this over a standard Cat6 cable, not a massive, expensive HDMI cord.
Well, what's fascinating here is the reliance on that standard networking cable, the Cat6, to carry heavy, uncompressed 4K video. It completely changes the infrastructure requirements for a boardroom.
But wait, let's talk about the practicality of that for a second. Because standard HDMI cables have, 19 individual pins?
Yes, 19.
So it's like a massive 19-lane bridge. It physically needs a lot of space to keep all those data streams separated, but a Cat6 cable only has 8 tiny wires inside.
Yeah.
How is it acting as a high-speed zipper for that much traffic without causing a total data pileup?
Well, it comes down to packetization. Instead of sending continuous separate streams of electrical voltage like traditional HDMI does, the transmitter takes that raw 4K video, chops it up into tiny data packets, and fires them down the Cat6 cable at incredibly high frequencies.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and at the other end, the receiver instantly unzips and reassembles those packets back into a flawless video signal.
Wow. And that handles the 4.4.4 spec. Because that's usually where the visual pain is, right?
It is. So 4.4.4 refers to chroma subsampling, or rather the complete lack of it.
Right.
It means there is zero color compression happening. If you've ever stared at a projected spreadsheet where the red text looks blurry or subtly bleeds into the white background.
It makes reading small text from the back row absolutely brutal.
Exactly. You are looking at compressed color data. So pushing a 4.4.4 signal means every single pixel retains its exact color data, keeping the text razor sharp.
But wait, if the display is 130 feet away, how does the presenter even know what's showing on the screen? Like, are they just awkwardly looking over their shoulder the whole time?
No. And that's a great point. This is where the unit's HDMI loop output comes in.
Oh, okay.
It allows for local monitoring right near the source. So if we connect this to the bigger picture, it allows the presenter to stay entirely focused on the audience.
They just have a local monitor right at the podium.
Exactly. One feed goes down the Cat6 tunnel, the other stays local.
Here's where it gets really interesting, though. Looking at the ecosystem, it connects to these separately available Boardroom Buddy receivers, which allows users to mix and match outputs via HDMI or USB. It even features a USB-B host port for a computer.
Right, which brings up the final crucial detail here. Power. While it does come with a power supply, it supports power over cable from the receiver end.
Wait, really? It sends power backwards?
Yeah, it eliminates extra power bricks at the podium entirely. The receiver plugs into the wall 130 feet away and just sends the electricity back up the Cat6 line to the desk.
Oh, that is wild. So what does this all mean? I mean, for anyone setting up a meeting space, it essentially means ending cable clutter and guaranteeing crisp 4K presentations.
It really does. Although this raises an important question.
Oh, what's that?
We are currently relying on physical Cat6 cables to push this pristine 4K video 130 feet.
Right.
But as our display resolutions push even higher in the future, to 8K and beyond.
Yeah, the data weight will be huge.
Exactly. Will physical cables like this eventually be replaced by completely invisible, zero latency wireless networks?
Oh, wow.
Or will we always need a physical tether for, absolute reliability?